from software department. Okay. From which department?
MCA.
MCA na full form na? Okay, Master of Computer Applications. Okay, before which branch you are from? BCA na?
Bachelor of Computer.
Okay. I don't have any idea on degree, I mean arts content. I'm from engineering background now. That's why I'm asking you. Okay, what are the language already you learned in previous degree and this degree? Oh, MCA first year or second year? Second year or first year? Okay, problem. In BCA, which languages you learn already? I mean Python, Java, Python, C, okay, C++. Next, HTML. Next, CSS, JavaScript. Next, HTML already finished. Next, that's all. Okay, already Python, Java idea ka? Java idea ka? Today, at least do you have any idea which program you're going to start? Where you course on? Java full stack. Java full stack na. What is full stack? What is the meaning of full stack? Front end something back end irka. Okay. Front end na. Client side. Okay. What? Which programming languages we need to use it? Front end. HTML, CSS. Okay. Back end. Java. Express. I'm asking about Java full stack. Main stack na the Express JS. Java full stack ki backend. Node.js, Express JS is all comes under main stack. Main stack na MongoDB ka. Main stack na MongoDB, Express JS, React JS, Node.js ka. That is main stack. I'm asking about Java full stack backend. Java. Next. JavaScript front end. Database idea ka? MySQL. First database idea. MySQL on application. Okay. What is Java? What is Java? Programming language. Okay. The use of. What is the use of programming language? What is the use of programming language?
To build and develop applications.
Sorry?
To build and develop applications.
Application. Only for applications. I'm asking about only Java. To solve any problems, to solve any task, you're going to use some algorithm. What is algorithm? Step by step process. Okay, President car. Why you are using that step by step process? To solve a task now. Okay. Either algorithm is converting into programming. That's all right. Okay.
Storage.
Any example? Real-time example. Real-time example. We are using database. Voice article last. Okay now. Thank you. Database. Any real-time example. You can speak freely. I'm not your college faculty. Okay. I'm not your college faculty. You can speak freely. Database. I need real-time example. Can I say one example? You have an Instagram account, sir. Okay. If I want to use Instagram, what is the first procedure? You need to create one account. Okay. What are the details I need to give? Details. Something mail ID, password. Okay. After sign up, finish. Then I need to log in. For example, I'm giving the password wrong. Can I log in? Why? Because of the database and the password match over. Either database. Instagram have one database. Based upon some companies, they have some database. Okay, either database. They're showing some data. Okay, who is the developer of Java? Java developer. I'm not asking you high-level questions. I'm asking you basic level only. Okay. If you don't know, I'll answer. First of all, I need to get something answer from you now, because you already finished BCA. If you're BCA first year student, I need to explain these all things because you have already some knowledge. Who is the developer of Java? Anyone? Java developer లేదా? Is the first basic question. Okay. Please don't search in the Google and the chat GPTs. No, first of all, don't use mobile phones. Okay, thank you. Java developer name ra? Anyone? Python passa? Java passa? A grade B grade? Okay, do you have interest in Java or Python? Python. Python developer name dulu. Which year? First Python came or Java came? Who told you Java? First Python came in market. In 1991, Python is released in market. Java? 1990? The last number. 95, 96 in this video. Okay. First Python came, then next Java. Okay. Java developer name. Day-1 son. James Gosling. James Gosling. Already you always learn. Already you have some idea, but you forgot. James Gosling. Pantech में idea था first of all. We are coming from Pantech e-learning company. Pantech idea था. It is we have online platforms and offline platforms also. We connect workshops, internships, projects, this type of content. Okay. James, spelling was forgot. Sorry. James. Just take these 3 points. The 3 points finish, I can continue. Okay, in this semester, what are the languages you are learning? Python. Last year, first sem. Okay. Which one is the best? Python best or Java best? Why? Who told you Python is easy? Can I give one task? Can you write that code? Write a program on prime number by using of Python.
Write these points.
Yeah, finished. Can you write a program on Python by task? Write a program to check given number is prime number or not. Some small task. You are saying Python is easy, na? Try to write this task. Program on prime number. I need to check. For example, n value 2 na. 2 is a prime number. Yes or no? Yes sir. It should be like I said 2 is prime number. Clear? In Python, past 2 minutes. They are saying Python is easy language. Write that code. Please make it fast. I given 100 now, 100 also it is need to check any number. I need to take the user input function. Okay. Try to use the user input function. Yeah, how many people got the output? In Python. I told you in Python. Nisha. Nisha. Check that. That's all. Anyone got the output? Don't take the list. I told you to take user input value. Nisha. C++. I'll check this. Yeah, Nisha. No, you only told Python is easy language, sir. That's why I've given us one small task. Write a program on prime number. Yeah, how many people got the output? At least half code, logic. First prime number, na? Sorry. Again, one number.
One minute.
One day I will set. What is the logic? I need to write. First line, na? I need to take some user input value. Input of something in the. Okay, enter a number. Then next. Next line. I initialize. What I need to initialize? Directly condition.
If I enter a number below 0 means what is that? What is that? We have got a user input, right? Enter input. If I enter a number below 1 or 0, what is the number value of we got? So prime number or not? Number below 1 is prime or not prime? Based upon the requirements, we have to fill the conditions.
Okay. Prime numbers. Examples of prime numbers.
1, 2, 3, 5, 7.
Some people are saying 1.
1 and 1.
Some people are saying 1. I think they newly invented what is a prime number. What is a prime number? Because one table one irka, but that's all. Don't have count value 2. Prime number na, for example 2 irka. 2 is going to be divisible with 1 and itself are 2 irka count value. 3 1 and itself. 4 so many irka. 5 1 5 are. One key count value will be 1 only. That's why 1 is not a prime number. Your MCA students. Okay. Okay. I need to initialize something I equal to 1 because of in every number I have to take 1 is the common value. I need to initialize I equal to 1. Here I am using the while loop. By using of while loop, we can write the logic very clearly. It will be help to logic. If you are using for loop, now for loop chumma easy. Don't use for loop. You can't get that logic. Try to use the while loop. While loop is help to create the logics more. Okay, you can try to get the more questions on while loop. Okay. Then I need to take some condition. While condition is if that the n value is divisible with 1 na, adi prime number. I need to count the value. Example I can show that code, but now the time in land. I started Java only. Okay. But now you're saying Python is easy now. Then why you didn't write a single line of 5 lines of code? 5 to 6 lines in code, that's all. Don't say Python is easy language. It has simple and easy syntax comparing to other languages. Simple and easy syntax. If you're saying directly in company na sir, Python is easy na sir, I got the point illa first of all. Simple syntax comparing to other languages. Okay. Okay. Any example how to write the hello world code in Java? Directly system data.
PSP, public static point.
Directly public static.
Import Java. Class name.
Yes, class name, something curly braces or set brackets. Then next main method, Then next again curly braces, system dot out of println something hello world data. Then I need to end with a semicolon. Then I need to close all the curly braces. In Python, print up hello world. Comparing to other languages, Python has something easy syntax. Okay. Okay. In AI, what is AI? Okay, artificial definition. Okay. I'm asking that user now. What is the use of AI? Automatic.
Without human intervention. Inventions.
You only inventing that AI now. You must have written the code for AI. Okay, in AI, which language they are using? Programming language. Python. That's all.
Python, Java.
In Java next time. Okay. They're not using Java. They're using. You can use the Java, but Python has simple syntax now. That's why they're using Python only. Java now it is going to best for Android applications, then the web applications, DevOps. These are things we need to learn Java. Based on web applications, this type of content. Okay. JavaScript and Java almost same only, but JavaScript it has something more functions. Okay. JavaScript what is the use of JavaScript? I need something answer from you. Different. With the functions, what is the use of that functions? For purpose, I can use the HTML content. Button I can create in the HTML. Okay. Example, Ludo game idea ka. Ludo game. It has something dice na, something logic in ka. You can't guess what is the next number. But randomly it will be get something number. Okay, and the pattern is boxes. And then HTML. What is this of HTML?
Structure.
To create the web page structure in the boxes மாதிரி. CSS na
Style.
styling part இருக்கா? Okay. JavaScript na அந்த dice இருக்கனா the functions logic. Okay va. You can't guess what is the next number. Randomly it will come something number. Okay. Okay. What is the use of okay in the applications of Java? In the applications of Java, by using of Java programming, can I create any technology? Normally I told you that web applications, AI, and apps. The next, other one go. Applications of Java. Class கொஞ்சம் ஃபாஸ்ட் இருக்கா கொஞ்சம் ஸ்லோ இருக்கா அது ஓகேவா first one web development android application then DevOps idea ka Day-1 DevOps then next IoT application desktop applications AI desktop applications AI Vinisha these are some applications of Java. Okay, can I start with the front end? Front end start or back end? Front end. Why you are interested in front end? Okay, we have 4 days completely. On Saturday classes irka. Okay, I am trying to complete today day 1 HTML and CSS. Next Saturday JavaScript and database. Remaining 2 classes I will try to take on Java. Because of Java have more content. Okay, sir. Java no oops idea ka oops concept. Now oops na definition na. Yes, oops. Yes. System or structure. Okay, what are the main topics are there?
Encapsulation,
Class encapsulation. First one class object, next one inheritance, polymorphism, data abstraction. That's all. Okay, class another. Class. Anyone class? Collection of objects, blueprint of objects. Okay, object na. Okay, inheritance na. What is inheritance? Sorry.
வேற ஒரு கிளாஸ் இருந்து இந்த கிளாஸ்ல இருந்து
parent class child class.
Types of inheritance. Order lesson.
Single level.
Second one hierarchy. Next one. Order. Multiple. Then next one multi-level. Next one single level. Parent class, one child class. Okay, what is the use of inheritance first of all? Sorry.
ஒரு கார் மாடல் இருக்குன்னா கார் வேணாம் சார் அனிமல் எடுத்துக்கலாம் சார்
Okay, sir.
அனிமல் மாடல் எடுத்துக்கோன்னா அனிமல்ஸ் எல்லாமே சாப்பிட்டு தூங்கும் அதுக்குள்ள வந்து டாக்ஸ்லாம் போட்டுக்கலாம் டாக் கேட்லாம் சைல்ட் கிளாஸா வச்சுட்டு டாக் வந்து பார்க் பண்ணுதுன்னு வச்சுக்கோங்க கேட் வந்து மியாவ் சவுண்ட் கொடுக்கும் அண்ட் அதோட பேரண்ட் கிளாஸ் வந்து நம்ம ஈட்டிங் ஸ்லீப்பிங் எடுத்துக்கோம் சார் ஸோ அந்த பேரண்ட் கிளாஸ் வந்து அனிமல்ன்ற பேரண்ட் கிளாஸ் வந்து இன்ஹெரிட் பண்ணுவோம் சார்
Okay, why we are inheriting? Sorry. Or any manual okay, but why we are inheriting that one?
Common functions and object use பண்ணுங்க.
You can use object, but why we are doing like that? Normally I can write that code normally. Sorry, time? That only சொல்றேன். Reduce the time and reduce the coding part. As a programmer, we need to reduce the code. For example, you are going to for an interview now. They are going to conduct some exam. They are saying like as a plain number code right in Python or Java, anything you wish. If they say particular language, na Python only na, you are writing the same programming in 5 lines, and another guy is writing the same programming 10 lines na, you are going to get the job easily. As a programmer, we need to reduce the code. Okay. Indentation and not to reduce the code. Same classes irka, but I'm using the same single object. We are taking the multiple objects. Okay. Single la finish. Hierarchical na? Hierarchical. Sorry. Okay. Okay. One parent class, 2 or more child parents. Okay. Multiple na?
Multiple not means more than a generation minus more than 2 generation.
More than generation na?
Or parent, child is a child or mother.
I'm asking about multiple.
Multiple.
Multi-level different, multiple different. Multiple ra?
Multiple
Two
now very.
parent or a child.
You take 2 or more parent class, problem illa, but 1 child class. 2 or more parent class, 1 child class. Okay, multi-level ra?
Keep on child is child.
Okay, multi-level na enna, for example, easily, you have something properties. Who given you properties? Your father. What is your father? His father na. Your father, child. Is a multi-level. Step by step in practice. Hybrid na enna?
எல்லாமே பாருங்க.
எல்லாமே hybrid na enna? Anyone? What is hybrid inheritance? English okay na for you? Understand now? Because I don't know Tamil. English okay na? Confirm ah? Hybrid na enna?
One parent plus 2 or more plus.
Hybrid inheritance. I can understand your language, but I can't speak. Okay. Hybrid na?
Single multi-level.
Anyone? Single class?
Multi-level. Multiple no. Combination of both.
Combination of any
Multiple.
two inheritance. Combination of any two inheritance. For example, single take pano, multi-level take pano, add pano. It is nothing but a hybrid. Anything you can take. What is that? Okay. Yeah. In polymorphism, we have something two main topics. Overloading. Overloading. Method overloading na enna? What is method overloading? What is method overloading? Last anyone? What is method overloading? Anyone? Last. Okay, I will explain. Same method names, different type of parameters or arguments. Is a method overloading. Okay, it is possible in Python. Method overloading is possible in Python or not? No. Why? I will ask more questions.
No, so now we get me now.
No, okay, that is, you have something answer. No, I'm asking why no. Why method overloading is not possible in Python? For example, ABCD irka, you have something ABCD. Why we are running ABCD? To create something sentence or something paragraph. Okay. Now he is saying something method overloading is not possible in Python. We need to know now why it is not possible. Then one question irka. Okay. Why it is not possible in Python? In interview, they can ask you any questions. As you're coming from computer content na, domain na, they can ask you any question. Okay. Because of in Python, you can call only the last function. You can't call the first function, the second functions, or many functions. That's why in Python, method overloading is not possible. It is possible in Java. Okay. Method overriding. What is method overriding? Okay, you have something notes, sir?
Sir, yeah.
Overriding another. Now, the method overriding na same method names different type of arguments. That method overloading. Writing na different type of classes, same method name, same parameters. Same method name, same parameters, but different classes. That method overriding. Same method name, same parameters, different type of classes. Same method name, same parameters, different type of classes. That is nothing but a method overriding. Okay. What is encapsulation? Okay. Next point. 2 points we're using the encapsulation. First point we're binding the data inside the functions or methods. First point. The second point hiding. Hide to protect our classes from delete. To protect the classes from delete, we are using the encapsulation. This is the second point. First point to bind the data inside our functions. Second point to protect our classes from delete. That is the encapsulation. To protect our classes from delete and to bind our data inside the functions. Okay. Last topic, data abstraction. What is data abstraction?
Providing essentials and hiding details.
Okay, why we need to do that one? Why we need to hide data? These threads.
Privacy.
Why we need to hide the data?
Password acquired data.
Okay. Simple example. You have Instagram apps. You have something user interface. That's all. You don't have the Instagram code. They given you code now. You can sell that code or you can create your own company. They're not giving you code. They're giving something user interface. They're hiding something data. Simple example. This is nothing but data abstraction. In Java, how we are going to do data abstraction? Java different Python different. In Python, we need to use pass keyword. In Java, we have abstract keyword. In Java, we have abstract keyword. In Python, we have pass keyword.
நோட்ஸ் என்ன 4 வீக்ஸ் வரும் ஆஸ்பாஸ் வந்து கிளாஸ் கண்டினியூ ஆகும் ஃப்ரீயா போயிடலாம் அடுத்த வாரம் ஸ்பீட் பண்ணலாம்
ये क्लास ரெஃபரன்ஸ் தெரியாது ஒரு குரூப் கிரியேட் பண்ணுங்க உங்களுக்கு எடுக்கிற டாபிக்ஸ் கொடுத்து சொல்றேன் சார் குரூப் பத்தி சார் ஆடுங்க ரெண்டு டாபிக்ஸ் கொடுத்து சொல்றேன் அது ஒரு கோர்ஸ் இருக்கும் இது யூஸ் பண்ண ப்ராஜெக்ட் சார் வந்து அப்டேட் பண்ணும்போது நீங்க ஒரு ப்ராஜெக்ட் கத்துறதோ ப்ராஜெக்ட் ஜாவா ஃபுல் ஸ்டாக் நீங்க என்ன இருக்கீங்களா ஓகே நெக்ஸ்ட் நீங்க இன்டர்ன்ஷிப் அதாவது இந்த ஜாவா ஃபுல் ஸ்டாக் பார்த்து போறோம் சோ நீங்க பண்ற பிராக்டிகல் ஜாப் யூஸ் பண்ணலாம் சரியா நவாஸ் by last result section you are you learn from give the notes to them they need to do a project
Okay. Database idea already studied. First, I'm trying to give something introduction about all the content. Then I will go something practical. Okay. Database. Did you have any practical knowledge? Database by using MySQL or anything?
Yeah.
SQL. Okay. MongoDB na adi. Okay. What is DBMS? DBMS. Okay. Nice. What is the use?
Managing the data.
Managing the
Data.
types of DBMS. So we know just two only. Because of we are using two only. RDBMS and the non-RD. So many types. Okay. What is R? What is the use of relational database management system? Okay, it creates something table. Structure table. Non-RDBMS na?
Unstructured.
Table illa. Simply table illa. Okay. Any applications of RDBMS? MySQL. Oracle. Next. Microsoft SQL irka. So many irka. Okay, use it. Okay. But non-RDBMS.
Redis.
MongoDB is the best example. Okay. In RDBMS, which programming language I need to use? For RDBMS, which programming language I need to use? Structured SQL. What is the first name of SQL? First name of SQL. SQL. SQL na full form na. Sorry. Structured. SQL first name okay. Sorry, second name okay. I'm asking the first name definition. First name na SQL. SQL na full form na. SQL. Structured English Query Language. Okay, it is like a simple coding part. But database we have very simple English coding language. We can easily create a language. How to create a table normally? Create table, subject table name. That's all. Create table name. That's all.
No, sir. First database.
First, what do we need to create?
Database.
First, we need to create the database. Then create database. Database name. That's all. Semicolon. Syntax very important. Okay. Then next.
Use database.
Use database.
Why we need to use a database? Okay.
நிறைய database.
நிறைய database இருக்கா? We need to select particular database. For example, SRM இருக்கா? இந்த branch இருக்கா? ராமபுரம் ஆசை இருக்கா? I need to use the Ramapuram branch database. Then I need to mention use SRM Ramapuram semicolon. Okay. Next one, how to get table ra? Semicolon. Okay.
Semicolon.
How to insert the data?
Insert table name, values.
That's all. Insert into table
Column
name.
name.
Column name.
Column the parameter. Is the
Column name. Okay. Next one, syntax. I am asking you just syntax. Data type constraint. Okay. Where char what is char name?
characters.
Where char?
எல்லாமே both
Both.
யூஸ் பண்ணலாம்.
Okay. What is the main difference? Size. For example, SRM irka, 3 letters name irka, SRM. Okay. I'm using char of 5. It's going to take up 5 storage spaces. If I'm using where char na, it will take particular 3 only. That's the difference. Okay. How to print the table?
Selection
Select
வேற
don't say star.
Hashtag.
Select star. Select hashtag. Table name. Anything?
Semicolon.
Semicolon. Okay. Semicolon. For example, I want to print particular column now. I want to print particular column. Example, name, age, roll number. I want to print age column only. Select hashtag. Hashtag. Select column name from table name semicolon. Okay. How to joins रहेगा types of joins in SQL. Inner join, right join, left join. That is left and right இருக்கா okay. Out of inner join okay, left join right join okay. Outer na come like I said full join. Full join. Full join है ना. By using of union operator, if using union operator, sir, I can enter it. A combination of both left and right. Okay. HTML any basics? How do you learn HTML? Any basic tags idea? Tag name. What is the better?
Body.
H1, H2.
Font size.
Header different.
Title information about the website.
If I want to write the HTML code, what is the main tag I need to use?
HTML.
HTML tag. If I want to take any, for example, SRM, I need to take something title. Let me say SRM. And then, for example, the new tab option, there I want to display the title. Then I can use the title to do something SRM college name. Okay. How many heading tags are there? Heading tags.
5.
6.
Who said 1? Here somebody said 1.
How many heading tags are there? 6. Confirm. 6.
6.
Someone said 1.
7. How many people are saying only 6 here? Only 6 are. If I take H7, H8 now? Here. Oh. Okay. I can take up to H infinity tags. Problem is that. But the difference is H1 to H6 something size is that. By taking H7, H8 now, it will come like a paragraph. Is the difference? Okay. If I want to create any paragraph now, if I want to
Buttons.
button na button tag irka.
On gender, which button is for selecting something for more than one now? Link.
HRF na?
HREF.
Hyperlink.
And that content name is okay. HRF have something name attribute. Okay. I want to display an image now. SRC na? Alt na? What is the use of description?
For a slide.
An example. In Flipkart, there is an example. What is the use of alt in image? For example, sometimes net I can't see that the image. I can see that something name after the image. That is the alternative. Okay. Okay. How to correct HTML with the CSS?
Style.
Style. I am introducing that. Sorry.
Relational.
I'm asking about HTML page ka, CSS page ka. Types of CSS. What are types?
Inline. Internal.
External CSS. I want to correct with HTML page. How to correct? Link tag. By using of style tag, okay. And you give something source link. Okay. Inline है ना?
On the HTML code.
An example.
H1
Internal na?
style
Style tag is funny. When I code inside the HTML. Okay, the way they have two ways now. The way they are creating external CSS. Write the code of HTML separately, write the code of CSS separately, then is the external CSS. Types of colors in CSS. Types of colors in CSS. RGB. RGB next one.
White.
Wait.
White, sir.
XR. RGB okay. Next one color name enna?
Yellow, white.
Yellow white enna? Asking about types of colors in CSS. First one RGB right. Second one RGBA. RGBA na? Alpha value. Next one
Numbers.
HEX. Hexadecimal colors. The next one HSL. HSL na?
Hue saturation.
Last L na?
Hue saturation.
L means lightness. Next color name na? Last one. HSL A. Again alpha is okay. What is the range of R? What is the range of R? RGB kana? I have something range. Range value. 0 to something to 5 ka. For alpha 0 to 1. Lightness 100. Saturation it will come select as 0 to 100%. For saturation and lightness. How to correct types of JavaScript?
Same like CSS.
Types of JavaScript. Types of JavaScript.
Not this.
Same like CSS.
Types of CSS na inline irka, internal irka, external irka. Like that, I'm asking about types of JavaScript. Inline JavaScript, internal JavaScript, external JavaScript. Same, 3 irka. Okay, how to connect the JavaScript with HTML? Script. Okay. We do practically, yeah. Okay. Try to get one web page, and the title name should be your college name. Okay. Try to add something background color, and give something paragraph about your college details. Who is the founder, something. Take one. Then college image. Then college image. Then next your college YouTube channel video. How to display the video?
Give the link on that.
Link frame tag. Link na A tag okay. Just to click on that link, I can get in another site. That's all now. Anchor tag different, iframe different. Reduce iframe tag. Okay. Okay, this one start. VS Code irka? VS Code. Start. Coding part start.
When
Laptops illana they can use systems.